you guys, I'm here again. I'll just play it. Hello guys, it's me back today, and I'm going to be doing a slime tutorial. Purple slime, I consider fluffy, a bit of fluffy, and these are the ingredients. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so to make this, you need, step 1, glue, step 2, shaving cream, step 3, contact solution, and step 4, add it all in the bowl and start mixing. That's the easiest way to make this. I consider this non-sticky, not anything. So this is the only kind of glue I'm making. Go watch my girl Karina Garcia. I love Karina. And don't forget to watch Lance 210. I mean, he doesn't make slime barrels, but Karina Garcia does. I love Karina Garcia and Lance 210, although he just is a vlogger. If you guys follow him, well, follow me. Go subscribe to this channel and do say I subscribe to your channel and turn on the post and say I turn on the post notification, and I'll give you guys a big shout out. Bye. See y'all later. Go already. I just said go. Go. It's not gonna take that freaking long.